This is Romney Manor, home of Caribelle Batik in St. Kitts. It was once an estate home, and some of the building behind us is part of the original building. We now produce batik, which is an Indonesian art. However, we have adopted it and done our own Caribbean twist. We are actually inspired by our vibrant surroundings. We usually start off on a white piece of material. We wax that piece and then we dye it. And from that process, it then goes into the soaking. This is where we soak all of the excess dyes away, and then we boil it out. After it's boiled, we hang it out to dry, and because we usually have a lot of sunshine, it dries rather quickly. The highlight of the tour is where you get to do your own batik. I love teaching people what we know, giving them a piece of St. Kitts to take back with them. People from St. Kitts are called Kittitians, and we are very proud of it. We are full of history. The people are fun-loving, friendly. We're full of culture, and we just have a sense of pride.